of it.
Okay.
I think I see the rocket.
It might just be too short.
I think I see the rocket.
Okay, now I see. It's not. It's over there. It's like straight in front.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I think that's it.
See, that's what I thought. I thought it was like in the three.
Is it the thing with the blinking lights?
I think so, yeah.
That's what I thought so too.
Oh yeah.
There goes, there goes.
Where?
Right.
Well, there it is.
There it is.
Oh, yes.
There it goes. Cool.
All we can see is just a triangle that's like.
You're taking pictures, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I took two already. Can't see it very well.
Mikey, this is the closest you've ever been to a launch. That's so cool. Oh, you can hear it.
The voice is only coming now.
Wow, that's how loud it is from only here,
Yep.
which is like 30 miles away.
I think it's a little closer than that. There it goes, some confidential U.S. stuff.
No, it's a satellite that's going to orbit the poles of Jupiter.
It's still there.
Orbiting the Earth right now? Isn't it kind of orbiting the Earth?
Yeah, it's starting to get into orbit. But that one's not going to orbit the Earth.
Doesn't it have like a satellite in it?
Yeah, but the satellite's not